you guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today is going to be another clean with me video. So right now I am actually preparing for my family to come into town, and the house was extremely dirty. It was super messy and I needed to get things clean fast because I had a lot to do. So right now I'm just opening up some of my new products from Amazon and kind of cleaning and rinsing those off before I put those away. Even though they haven't been used, I still want to like clean off that factory germs or whatever. So I just make sure that I kind of rinse and clean those off. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Lindsay and I do a lot of lifestyle videos. You should definitely go check some of the videos out down below in my description box. I like to put those there just so they're easy access for you, so you can kind of get to know me and consider subscribing to my channel. So I will have those down below. I did leave a couple items out on the counter just because I was cooking. That was what I was going to cook for dinner that night. So that is why they are sitting there. And then down here, I'm just kind of reorganizing my pots and pans. So here I am cleaning my utensil tray where we keep all of our forks and spoons, and I like to clean that out quite often because for some reason it gets dirty. So this is one of my new gadgets, my little mixer that I bought from Amazon. I love it, and I've been baking and cooking a lot of different food, or a lot of different recipes and stuff, especially since doing the keto diet. And I actually have everything I mentioned down below in my Amazon store if you guys wanted to check it out, get the links, and look at those things too. And then I always like to clean out my sink once I am done doing all of the dishes. I want it to be all clean and no food and shiny and stuff like that. Oh, and so just to let you guys know, these bowls I got from the Dollar Tree, Remy actually doesn't like them. He was like refusing to eat and drink out of them. I don't know if it was like the metal smell. So we just went ahead and bought him something else, and we're just tossed those out. So right now I am going to go ahead and clean my catch-all space. This is where I put my purse, and we get our coffee, and then everything else ends up there. So I needed to clean that area. And I'm just going to go in with the disinfectant wipes just to kind of do a quick clean. So right here, I'm just taking the wipes and doing a quick clean on the key rig. It has like some coffee splatters and stuff like that. And then I like to clean out this tray. I only clean out the tray probably about once a week. It catches all of the coffee each day when we make a cup of coffee. So I definitely like to clean that out. And since I was in a hurry today, I didn't bust out any multi-surface cleaners or anything. Just did use the disinfectant wipes because I had the product on it, the wipe, the cloth, whatever, and I just started cleaning. So I went ahead and wiped down my microwave and went ahead and threw the little plate in the sink. I cleaned that with soap and water and then just put it back into my microwave. So So we have a mess on this table. It's kind of embarrassing. Everything is there. Just from summertime and swimming and preschool. And I mean, we just have everything up there. And then these are the activities that Ava usually does on a daily. So she'll like color, paint, all of that stuff. So there is a mess, but we use these little Dollar Tree mats just so it won't get the table too messy. Now I'm going in with my Method wood cleaner and just cleaning the whole table and the chairs because there's paint on them. I'm just going to go ahead and wipe down the dust, and I'm just using a microfiber cloth and my glass cleaner. And this glass cleaner is actually from Clean Packs. It's a concentrate that I really, really like. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and sweep up the living room and all of the floor space. There's a lot of dog hair and dust everywhere. So I'm just going to go ahead and use like my Bona mop brush.
Like nobody is watching us. Like nobody is judging while we're dancing. We're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we get lost.
So now I'm going to go ahead with the Method floor cleaner, and I really, really love the smell of this. I know several of you guys have messaged me saying that you purchased it and loved it after I shared it, and I really just love it. So I'm so glad I finally got on the bandwagon. And so what I'm doing here, I'm using my spray and mop, but I'm not spraying it. The cleaner that's inside the bottle is actually for my bathroom floors, but the mop head, I replace those pads. I don't use the same pad in the bathroom as I use in the kitchen. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this cleaning video. I hope you got some motivation to go ahead and start your week off right. I love you guys so much. I'm so excited for some videos that are coming out in the next couple weeks. We have some exciting things happening. So make sure you're subscribed so you can stay tuned for all of that. Bye.